Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine and safe. Welcome you all to your English class. Today, we are going to study poem number 8 of your Beehive book. The name of the poem is On Killing a Tree, written by Gieve Patel. Now, about the author. Gieve Patel is an Indian Parsi poet, playwright, painter, as well as a practicing physician. He belongs to a group of writers who have subscribed themselves to the Green Movement, which is involved in an effort to protect the environment. His poems speak of deep concerns for nature and expose man's cruelty to it. He was born in 1940 at Mumbai. By profession, he is a poet, playwright, painter, physician, and an artist. The famous books written by him are Mirrored Mirroring, Mr. Behram, and other plays. Gieve Patel's sculptures and drawings. He is an Indian. Now about this poem. On Killing a Tree was one of the poems of his poetry collection named Poems, published in 1966. This collection was launched by Nissim Ezekiel. Most of Patel's poems are focused on the human body. On Killing a Tree, too, is one such poem, which is written in free verse. Introduction of the poem. The poet, through this poem, highlights the fact that trees are living things. He equates trees with humans to convey that trees should not be cut because destroying trees is just like killing a human being. A tree does not die by merely cutting because it regrows from where it is cut. If it has to be destroyed, then it has to be uprooted. The poet considers the tree as a living organism. According to the poet, it has the right to live like any other creatures. But the man is killing it with utmost cruelty and carelessness. This poem indirectly gives out a strong idea that trees are our lifeline. So, they must not be killed. They are precious, so they must not be cut. The poet also conveys that the tree is deep-rooted and cannot be removed easily. He compared it with the evils which he thinks are deep-rooted and cannot be removed easily. Now let us discuss the theme of the poem. It is to create a new awareness in the minds of people that trees are as much living creatures as animals. To reflect the urgency with which steps need to be taken to conserve the environment in order to ensure that the earth remains an inhabitable planet that can sustain life. Death. The cutting down of trees is equated with death. Every time Patel talks of cutting down a tree, he portrays it as killing it. Deforestation. Deforestation is another major theme. It has become a problem, especially in the modern times, where forests are cleared to make roads or for furniture or for fossil fuel. it is incredibly harmful to the ecosystem, and the imminent danger is felt throughout the poem. Pain. The bleeding bark is the visual representation of the pain Patel envisions the tree going through.